The search for the perfect wave seems to be the never-ending story for us surfers. There are waves all over the world we dream of being able to surf one day. From remote islands in Indonesia, the long perfect point breaks in Africa, to the raw power of Hawaii and beyond. However, there is one wave many of us have no interest in ever surfing. But we all wish to see it in person.
Oh! Are you kidding me? Insane. This is nuts.
This is Teahupo'o, one of the most powerful waves on the planet and more recently famous for being the surf destination in the 2024 Paris Olympic Games, even though it's located all the way in the middle of the Pacific Ocean on the island of Tahiti. This week, I'm here to document local surf legend and GoPro athlete Tereva David to showcase what a day at Teahupo'o looks like from his perspective. And today, I'm bringing you along for the journey. Another beautiful morning in Tahiti. This is unreal. Where are we going?
We're going to Teahupo'o. It's pumping, 6 a.m. in the morning, it's glassy and there's some perfect barrels.
Let's get it. Now, one of the main challenges for this project was to try capture this wave in a way that hasn't really been seen before. So to do that, I decided we were going to use the GoPro MAX2 camera paired with the body harness from Sail Video System. This combo makes your footage look like a real life video game. Alright, so we're putting the Wi-Fi remote on Tereva's arm just because the Sail Video System angle with the MAX2 is just a little bit out of reach, so he doesn't have to stress about hitting record. He can just trigger it from his wrist and he's good to go.
Just send me like a letter.
So, because we're filming one of the gnarliest waves in the world, every time Tereva gets a wave, he brings the Max to me, I swap the memory cards, and then I dump the footage on the P16 just so that if anything happens, if we lose a camera, lose a memory card, we've pretty much saved all the footage onto the laptop before we finish shooting in the water. This is not usually the type of scenario I bring my laptop out in, but don't want to lose any epic footage, so literally have it on the boat with me and save all the footage as we go. Definitely the safest way and the right way to do it in this scenario. So you see this moment right here? This view Tereva has is something very few people will ever get to experience. So to capture exactly what he was seeing, we set him up with a GoPro on a bite mount to share this incredible point of view.
Thanks, bro.
Thanks, bro.
If you're happy, I'm happy.
If you've ever used a 360 camera before, you'll know the difficulty in keeping water drops from ruining your footage. So it was essential to have the laptop on the boat with me to check that our footage was clean. And if you're wondering how we prevented water drops from sticking to the lenses, but the trick to this is to actually burn off the hydrophobic coating. I usually put some, like dishwashing soap or spit on the lens, let it set, and then when I'm out in the water, just lick both lenses, dunk the camera once in the water, and it should be crisp and clear. And that's how we've made the shots in this video super clear. Once we'd wrapped up filming all the surfing action, we spent the next 2 days exploring the islands of Tahiti and Moorea to get additional footage for the project. French Polynesia is truly one of the most beautiful places I've ever traveled to, and having Tereva show us around his home was an unforgettable experience. Now the only thing left to do was to edit the video.
Perfect. So